iPhone can create zip files, and it's actually super easy. Let's take a look. The first step is to go to the Files app. You'll need your files here, and if they're not in the Files app already, I'll show you how to move them there in just a minute. Next, we'll select the files that are going to be included in the zip file. I'll tap the three dots up top and choose Select. Then, we'll check all the files that we want to zip, and after that, you'll tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and choose Compress. You'll see a file called Archive.zip appear in your Files app, and that's your zip file containing the files we just selected. Usually this is super quick, but the more files and the bigger they are, the longer it'll take to create the zip file. If you want, you can long press and choose Rename to give your zip file a custom name. You can then unzip it with a single tap, and you can use the long press to share the actual zip file directly from here. Send it via text, email, or whatever you prefer. If you want to zip something that's not already in the Files app, you can move those files into the Files app at first. If I wanted to zip some photos, for example, I'd go to the Photos app and locate the photos I want to zip. Similarly, like I showed before, I can tap Select and then check multiple photos. Then we can use the Share menu in the bottom right corner to find the button that says Save to Files. That'll copy these photos into the Files app, where you can then use them to create a zip file. You can put them wherever inside the Files app, and you can even create a dedicated folder for them, which might help you stay organized. So, put your files in the Files app if they're not there already, and then zip them. You can zip a selection of multiple files, or just choose a single folder to be zipped. And that's how you zip files on an iPhone. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.